to Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. As I say, today we just make you a nice, lovely, fresh salad with some fruits, juice, healthy recipe, good for lose weight, and also good for, you know what I mean, your health and be healthy at home in your home. So today, guys, hopefully you just like this one, subscribe to the channel, and please share the video. Make someone know about all you know what I mean. If it doesn't eat fruit, if it doesn't eat like lettuce, cucumber and all these things, salad, you know, you can make yourself a nice lovely juice from it. I love it. I've been drinking it, and see, this is how it look, guys, right here. I'll tell you something, it's just really fantastic. I love it. I drink a glass already and I will finish mine. I make it before, but the last time when I make it, it was I used celery inside of it and a lot more stuff. This time I didn't use any celery, but you can try at home with your and put celery. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. We got a lot more ideas and tips, and I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna be the first one to find that recipe to make you lose weight in 3 days time, and I'm working towards it. Thank you so much and see you next time. Nice and lovely. So basically, as I always say in my video, you know what I mean, I want to be the first person to create that idea for people who doesn't like to eat like lettuce and fruits and veg. You can also make a juice and drink it. Today we're gonna make you a nice lovely juice, healthy drink today. As you can see, there's nothing inside of it. It is empty. All right, guys. Basically, we got cucumber, just a little piece, which I'm gonna start to cut up things like this. I'm gonna put it straight inside of it. That's just a piece of a cucumber. If it doesn't like cucumber, and you ate it, and you never eat it before, let's say, probably say to yourself, you might drink it into some juice. Basically, I got some red grape, and I'm gonna put a few red grape inside of it like this. As you can see, that's some red grape. Half of a small carrot. Just cut it up very small, straight inside of it. Red apple. I'm gonna use half a red apple. Piece of ginger. Just a little piece of ginger. Then right here we have some sweet jam lettuce. Just gonna take off a few leaves, and then we're just gonna wash them off. Then we're gonna cut it up very small. Put it straight inside of it, just like that. Then some honey. Half of a lemon. If you got celery and you have a bigger machine, you could put some celery inside of it, because my machine is small. But as you can see, exactly all the ideas which I have in here. Yeah? Then water. Half glasses of water. Then we're gonna blend this for about 4 to 5 minutes. 4 to 5 minutes. blend it. And basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna strain it, alright? Nice one, that smells so lovely. I like the scent of it, so I'm gonna strain it. Nice one. So, as you can see, how this look, guys. You might have said, "Oh my God, Chef Ricardo, I'm not gonna be drinking that, Chef. Oh my God, what is that is making?" All right, guys. I'm not saying this is not healthy. This is healthy drink, healthy juice. There is no artificial inside of this. There is no like chemical or anything inside of it. It's like when you go and buy some juice at the shop or supermarket, you know those juices go through a lot of process and get through chemical and all these things. This is natural juice. Look at the color, and as you can see, so basically, as I said, don't get me wrong, a little fiber will be really good for you. Just like the fiber will be like this, which we just blend up. Sometimes you can drink, have some of this, but sometimes it's gonna be too much. So that's why sometimes I strain my juice. Alright, so basically what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna simply show you how I just serve this right now, just like this, as I can see. Lot of ice. Then what we're gonna do now, pour it straight inside of it like this. You might just say, oh God, Chef Ricardo, I'm not gonna be drinking. But just look at that, guys. Look at the full thing, because I got the cucumber, which is gonna change the whole color, and also the sweet John lettuce, which is gonna change it also the color and everything. This is a healthy drink, healthy juice, which you can have in the morning for breakfast, and also lunchtime, and also dinner time. This juice do help you for balance your weight, because all its ingredients is natural. You got the natural ginger in it, you got the natural lemon inside of it, you got the apple, you got the carrot, and you got the sweet jam lettuce, you got the cucumber. Also, carrot is good for eyesight. So guys, hopefully this will be a benefit to you, and I'm telling you, if you doesn't eat none of these things, you can make yourself a nice, lovely juice from it. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, working very hard. And as I say, I am the chef gonna find that recipe in this world. That's in 2 days time, you will see the biggest result in your life. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye bye.